Hello! Welcome to Maris Life in Australia! Alam niyo ba kung anong ginagawa ko ngayon? Ang gulo-gulo ng kitchen ko. Ang gulo-gulo. There you go! Gumagawa ako ng siopaw. Okay? So, ito, nag-ano ko ng flour. Kasi may nabibili na flour, nagawa na siya, ayan, sa incheck. So, dinagdagan ko na lang ng yeast, dinagdagan ko ng yung panghalo, tapos nilagyan ko ng milk. Pwede nyo naman itong sundan sa YouTube eh. Oh my God. Okay, I have to stop. Ayan guys, luto na. 15 minutes lang naman ang pagbaboil niya. Oh my goodness. This is so perfect.
Kain niya yung asawa.
Dali lang pala gumawa nito. So kami, sabi ka na lang. What?
Sabihin ko na yung asawa.
Okay. Kuya, what's the $5 ka? For luck.
Kakunin ko ka na yan.
Hey guys! Tara, ma! Puto-puto-tuto, puto-puto-tuto.
Pakain na. Nakagluto. Ay, walang lipstick.
Lagay natin yung design ni Mother. Tignan mo yung design niya. Ano kaya mangyayari dyan? Well.
Oh, gutom na ako.
Tawagin natin si baby.
Tawagin mo. Ano nakita niya yun?
Ang lalaki pala niya!
Ang lalaki nga.
So next time, this is only my first time to try it. So, yay! La 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 la. Luto na.
Nananaba na ako sa kanakain.
Ma, here. Oh. Nananaba na raw siya sa kakakain. Sayaw ka ma. Na 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 na. Ang lapit niya. Sige, pag nilapit mo sa screen. Ayan guys. Ma, oh, i-model mo naman yung siopaw ko. Kunyari may hawak ka,
Makakain na ba ito?
Sabi mo, gawa ng anak ko.
Gawa ng anak ko. Siopaw, kakainin ko na. Gutom na ako.
Okay, see you later. My siopaw. Na, 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 na. Try my siopaw. Now I know how to make it. That's chicken, huh?
Oh, like steam bun?
Yeah. Tell me if it's okay. That's chicken. It's got paper underneath, darling. So just undo it halfway.
Oh, steam bun. Yeah, steam bun. It's like a Chinese steam bun.
Yeah, so I know where to buy the flour. Nice? Yay! Give me an approve. Approve. Yay!
Yeah. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
See? My husband saying again.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
3 for $5.
O, like and subscribe kayo. Ang sarap na masiopaw nito.
Pati asawa ko nagustuhan.
Kain kayo.
Subscribe kayo.
Ito, kain ako na kain.
Maris Life in Australia. Bye!
We guys are turned around and just
Welcome to Maris Life in Australia. Nandito kami ngayon sa hills dahil meron kaming photography ng mga anak ko. So, ang ganda rito. Tignan nyo. Iikot ko lang saglit. Nakasuot pa ako ng heels. Baka ako magdadaos-dos doon. Look at my children. Handsome and good looking.
I am handsome.
Yeah.
Man looks like I'm so honest, right?
I'm tripping. Thank you. I'll turn this around so you can see the other side.
walking to this train park.
She said it's a 3-minute walk. 3 minutes.
That's a long time.
It's alright, so long it's not. I just wish I... Maganda rito, malamig nga lang. kulay dilaw na puno na yan, yan tinatawag na Christmas tree. Poisonous yan. It kills a lot of other bushes.
Being bad character, you know?
Kinerl ko yung hair ko ng konti.
Okay.
We end up going to Daly's pub. We've never been here and it's quite nice, the meal, so I'll show you. David's butter chicken. And I've got the barramundi. Ashley had barramundi. Mark has farmy. The boys had pizza.
How is it, babe? Very good.